Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Love by Exynos and today we have an exciting one. Today we first of all have a leaked hands-on video of the Galaxy S9. The video shows a person trying out the touch capability with a screen protector on, and just look at the bottom bezel. It does look a little thinner than the Galaxy S8, making the device the Galaxy S9. So there we have it guys, first official leaked Galaxy S9 hands-on video, and isn't it amazing? And to a little disappointing news, a well-reputed leaker by the name SamsungMobile.news just posted this. So guys, it says Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus will not be launched on 26th Feb. As of now, source is not mentioned in the post, nor the new launch date is mentioned, which led some people to believe that the news might be fake. We'll just have to wait and watch. Moving on, we have new releases as to how fast actually the Exynos 9810 is. The single core performance is set to be twice than before, and the multi-core performance is set to be at least 50% more than before. That is, if the Exynos 9810 will be clocked at 2.9 GHz in the Galaxy S9. Samsung is known to underclock its Exynos CPU for better efficiency. We saw that in the Galaxy S7 and we saw that in the Galaxy S8 too. So it is quite possible that the Galaxy S9 will be underclocked as well, which will make the performance figure drop a bit. We have a new leak regarding the charging capabilities of the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 Chinese certification reveals that there will be no upgrade in the fast charging capability of the Galaxy S9 and will remain the same as of the Galaxy S8. Don't get me wrong, the Galaxy S8 does not charge slow at all, but when you compare it with OnePlus's Dash Charger, everything seems slow. Now for the exciting news. We have a new leak that the Galaxy S9 will be launched with the Samsung's very own ISOCELL camera sensor, which is proudly displayed on their website. And for the astonishing part, the camera sensor is able to record 480 FPS video at 1080p resolution. So in theory, the sensor will be able to record 960 frames per second videos at 720p. That is truly super slow motion video. Sony has already done that on their devices, but they are only able to record that for a few seconds. Thanks to Samsung's new ISOCELL sensor, which has 3 stack layers, we will be able to record a longer video. And not only that, this 3 stack layer sensor is able to focus faster and also increase the low light conditions, which is just amazing. And now to the showstopper. The Galaxy S9 hasn't even been launched yet, and we have already started to get the leaks and rumors about the Galaxy S10. As you know, 2019 will mark the 10 years of Samsung Galaxy smartphones and the Galaxy S series. So Samsung is planning something amazing. They are going to go 100% screen to body ratio. Yeah guys, you heard me right. We have been hearing this news again and again. It was first mentioned in a leak a few weeks ago, where it was named as the Galaxy Zero. It turns out that it would actually be the Galaxy S10. Samsung is working on it, and there will be cutouts for the requirements at the top of the display, like the earpiece, front camera, etc. And the display will go around it. It seems a very bold design, and I personally don't think it will look that appealing. I would just suggest Samsung decreases the bezel instead of placing cutouts or holes in the display for requirements. But hey, that's just me. Let me know down in the comments, which design do you prefer? Reduced bezel or holes in the display? I hope you like this video, and for upcoming content, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Exynos signing off.